Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. So, go continue with the high pressure for the sellers. Hello, everyone. Thanks for being here. Try to help me with the likes today, and let's see what happened yesterday. We got something good for the for the Tokyo session. 230 pips with not too much issues. 30 pips. 230 pips. This is 460. So let's see. Let me check this one. A lot of pips today. Yesterday. We continue with the high volatility, guys. So again, the strategy for today is reduce the lot size. No reason to yes, no reason to have the to have the same stop loss for around 60 pips with no too much, because probably we will touch the so let's see. Pure patience. Again, I really want to open the trade near to 49.90. But well, the price just gives a massive reaction again. So let's see. Let's expect some retracement. For open the trade, guys. Remember, I appreciate if you help me with the likes. Help me with the likes. 200 people is seeing the stream, and just 20 likes. Just smart. Welcome, my friend. Waiting the retracement. We are waiting the retracement, guys. When the gold market will be normal, we don't know, my friend. Thousands of people is investing money in gold. So well, this is the reality what we have at this point, guys. So well, let me say hello to File X, Venom, Leandro Valdez, mi amigo, buen día. Just Smart, welcome my friend again. Kid Samurai, Elfanice, welcome guys. By the people, thanks for your questions. Tyron Samuel, Music K, Lewis, welcome my friend. And find my friend Melt. Laura, mi amigo, buenos días. Morens, morning. Welcome, guys. Remember, help me with the likes, please, today. This stream looks like a very quiet today. Just almost 300 people, just 40 likes. I'm going to start asking for the likes. That was my recommendation. That was the recommendation for my what? Well, you did provide me a guy who helped me with the numbers and everything. He told me like you never ask for likes. So my recommendation is starting tomorrow is ask for the likes. It's a really simple way to arrive to the 100K. So well, Miguel, gracias mi amigo. Gracias mi amigo. See, the spread is massive. Yesterday I tried to do something in my real account. It wasn't a good idea. It wasn't a good idea, to be honest. The prop firm continue with the same spreads, a little high, but not much. So that's great. But the normal brokers, I received the reports for different people. Like their broker increased the lot size and everything. So so tell me, guys, about your experience with your brokers. The brokers continue like in the same way, or just the same spread, or just all the brokers here increase the spread. Have a nice racing Bybit. And since the spread is 10 with them, well, damn, it's too much. So well, volatility is very recommend not to trade. Just know, guys. Yeah, the volatility is too high. So for that reason, I want to be clear, and everyone here, it's a must to use the reduced stop loss. Okay, not the reduced stop loss. Sorry, the reduced lot size. Let's see here. Just let me. There's a short position. It's here. So at this moment, this is the 2 points what we can see into the gold. So thanks, my friend Kevin, for your support and express your your happy to the Telegram. That's make me happy. You can enjoy the Telegram, my friend. Remember, if you want to be part of the Telegram, just is a $169 lifetime subscription. Same as Kevin. Thanks for the support. Jesus, Jesus is funded now. That's beautiful. So our new funded trader. That's great. If you want to work with a prop firm, again, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts for many prop firms, different brands, different companies with a many different information. So just go there, click into the link, um check the check the prices first according to your money, according to your wallet. Check the information before apply any challenge, guys. So just click into the link. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat. That's my recommendation at this point. Thanks a lot. I'm very funded. Perfect, my friend. Signal Amy Wim. It's a pleasure, my friend. Another member, and Jesus always support me, even in the bad times, in the difficult times. Um, mhm, mhm. So, Khaled, welcome, my friend. Welcome, my friend, and thanks for being here. Sari, I'm from Sweden. You're great, Lorito. Nice, my friend. Thanks for seeing the 49, 43. Well, to be honest, I prefer at this moment. I prefer just the price go to the 49.80 for open the loan. So let's see what happened. We are into the middle of the two zones. So let's see what happened. Just be ready for. Well, guys, almost 400 people here. Just 70 people, 70 likes. So help me with the likes. Help me with the likes. Nothing happened. Nothing happened if you provide me just can you explain why there is around this sun? Yes, my friend, this is the volume by sounds. There you will see the this information. This is the so the buy sum here. It's in the 51, and the other one is here into the. Uh, there we are. Sorry. hmm I think I delete that sum. hmm 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 So well, yes, this songs is for the gap mix with the summer accumulation here for some weeks ago. I think last week. So well, it touched that song and then give us a reaction. So let's see what happened. Let's see. We have these new cell zones. Specific points. Let's see what we have. I want to check Nasdaq too. I think Nasdaq destroy yes the positions, but it did a good reaction into the long position. So probably we will prepare a long position in Nasdaq today too. Nasdaq. So let's see. Let's be patient. I will check here the sell zone in Nasdaq. Remember, if you want to receive more information about Nasdaq or Dow Jones, just contact me by WhatsApp. There is the prices for the Telegram, $159. So mail boot, I already explained you. Yes, Nasdaq is different than gold. Looking for a short. Probably we will prepare the short. Mhm. Mhm. Thanks for sharing. That's the that's a difficult thing now. Well, I was expecting a good retracement here, but we didn't see the retracement into that beautiful confirmation. Today it's Friday, so probably the short could be a good option too. Jesus. So let's see what happened when the price arrived here. Well, 400 people you see in the stream, and just 100 likes, guys. Help me with the likes, please. I appreciate if you help me with a simple like. So well, now the price looks really quiet. I really want to say quiet. Sebastian, my friend, welcome. With the hill the 5380. We will fall. Probably today we are not going to 5380. Elena, bienvenida, Elena. Welcome. Maybe a retracement around 07. What's your opinion? No, no. 07. Yes, that's the thing. What I'm expecting. At least it could be an option. Could be a good option. But I'm waiting for the 990. To be honest. So let's see what happened. Remember today. It's difficult. Okay, arriving into the cell zone. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account, guys. Please use the correct lot size for your account, guys. Yesterday we did a very good trade, 230 pips for a long position. That was great. That was great. And today I'm expecting something good too. Could be from the last big red candle. But again, we need to be patient. My all trades are in loose minus 470. What you're doing, like sell position, long position. Explain us. Mm. I'm reducing the lot for 0.06. And the old people know they most of the time I'm using around 0.25 or more. But according um, the high volatility is a must to reduce the lot size. Just follow another YouTube because you were offline. So well, that was your fault, my friend. What is the name of that YouTuber? Mm. Big Bull. Let's go and check that channel, Big Bull. Yeah. Yes, that was your fault, my friend. I'm seeing the channel. So well, sorry for you, my friend. I invite you to the go into the our community for into the Discord and Telegram. There you will receive the actualizations. And what way I'm going to start late today because we have some high impact news. That was the reason. You see the downtrend line. Attica, most of the people prefer, to just lose money than invest in a good information and invest in a good advices. They just prefer to do it by themselves. At the end, it's really difficult, and what they understand is it's really difficult. You contact me with no other option. Sometimes it happens like that. Uh, many examples in my Telegram. Many examples in Telegram to to the people to do it like this. Like they're losing. Like okay, I lose 1,000 money. Now I'm desperate to recover. But the first you need to understand probably you will never recover that money in the next 1 year or 2 years. It's a process and the process is painful. Most of the process are painful. For that reason the people don't like to follow the process. Um well I think that is like that. It's like that, guys. Do you think we go like normal movement next week, or there is any other assessments like gold? Uh, I think it will continue like this, for the next week. To be honest, now we touch almost the 56, 57. Sorry, and I think many people wants to go continue for the 6,000. So well, another beautiful day. Top Dog is here. Welcome, my friend. We're going to entry sell. I'm preparing the sell position. Yes. Yes, it's going to be some weeks, and I explain like we need some weeks, to clarify these all the positions. Quiet people staying there. But now gold is like a all time high. Okay, let's invest in gold or let's sell gold. Crazy movements, and well, it's part of the it's part of there. part of the market. Uh-huh. A small question. Why is one trade and a demo account on main 60k, but when I use the real money, it's minus 10k? It's all about your brain because of your feeling. Probably with the demo account, just you open the position because you don't care about that demo account. And that's all. But with your real money, it's like probably every minute you go to the cell phone, check that position, um, and that's all. Now, for example, yesterday I opened a position in my broker just for a loan without stop, just for see what happened, and of course it's touched the stop loss, the massive stop loss what I use. It wasn't positive for some dollars, well, for around $500, and I said like, no, I'm going to hold it and go to sleep. And today gold fall too much. That's all. It's that the money that was I trade that money like a demo account. Just I open the position and that's all. Holding holding the other points. As simple as that, guys. But yes, it's all about the your experience, your brain, um, and well, if you want to, for that reason, I recommend if you're starting, try to use a demo account, but not a demo account if like a challenge. Use a challenge, the cheaper one. What you're going to use because it's going to help you and teach you many rules for prepare you to use a real account. So just if you want to try it, just go into the propermatch.com. There you will see a really good options to really get discounts, and of course, it's something what I'm explaining. If you don't have enough money, if you want 50, $60 for doing trading, just it's better to apply a prop firm. Um, get the experience a little more realistic than a demo account because demo accounts you don't care about demo accounts. So just go there, click into the link into the description, or click into the chat. There is it's a really good options, okay? But before apply any challenge, just understand you need to clarify the rules and everything, okay? Where is the area to tell me? Okay. So well, now we are seeing a reaction so far to the Selson. So well, we can test the long position. Still waiting, guys. Yes, that thing never happens, with the real account. And with demo account, the thing is you have like I don't know, $50,000. So you just open a loan and hold the positions. Um, I have a really good example here. One of my members, um, one of the members share it. Let me see. Let me see him. Give me 1 second. Here, for example, if she's one of my members. Uh, as you can see here, she starts a long position in 4418 here in 0.1. And well, as you can see, was a demo account. Like it's pretty simple to hold 0.01 a demo account because it's not your money and you don't care. But that was a beautiful example for provide us um, the feeling like what we are talking about. Just open a position, hold positions, and that's all. You know. So holding 1 month, holding 1 month, it's like yes, I will hold 1 month, but it's really difficult to hold 1 month to be honest. Well, is it was an example, for something what I want to share it. So yes, definitely loans in 49.64. It's the range. 54 is a very good point too. But let's see. At this moment, looks really really quiet. We got the massive reactions before it, after the news, and now it looks really really quiet. So in this moment, just waiting, guys. Be clear of that. Be clear of that. So well, what leverage do you have? Mine so big and so difficult to trade. So open. Georgie Lack depends of your broker, my friend. Change your broker. As simple as that. Market the current sideways. The thing is pretty quiet. It's very quiet. That is a surprise. Mhm. mm, again, my friend, if you have $45, just go into the and apply for a prep firm, my friend. Apply for a prep firm, get a real experience for a little, well, more a little real experience to how to trade a trades. But with 45 in gold right now, um, it's not my recommendation, to be honest. It's not my recommendation. If you just have $45, um, go there into the profit match. Go there into the profit match. Find something cheap, $30, $55, and apply for 5,000 um, challenge, and start thinking and start generating some knowledge for how to take the trades, how to follow the rules, and everything. But with $45, probably you will disappear that $45 um, I don't know, today. You can win them with a micro account, yes, but the micro account is it means cents. Um, Most of the people don't like cents. They don't care. Um, don't care about that. Like cents, cents, cents. Good for you, but that's not the that's not the experience for the rest. Most of the people will lose it, and that's all. I use FXA5 for Maro. Yes, FXA5. Mhm. I know many people don't like it, but I like it. They still pay me, so I like it. I like the environment. I can trade with Alchemy Markets and show the trading view and everything. That's nice. They pay me with no issues, but they are strict. They are strict. There's the link if you want to if you want to see the information or purchase something there. Yeah, it's true, but the challenge for me with the yeah, for sure, silver and gold give us many, many, many of positions. So well, falling, falling. Let's see what happened there. Where's the TP? At this moment, we don't have nothing at this point. It's just waiting. Let's see what we have for for you know. Okay, no risk, no Ferrari. Yes, that's the other thing, Like yesterday, I tried like something like this. I was like, well, I have this money, but I'm going to open a loan position. Just, well, of course, that type of experiments most of the time don't have a good results. I took my gains during the London and one trade again today. Have a good weekend. Sharp 13, dear, the care of the chat. Thanks for being here, dear. I appreciate it here. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Always is nice to see you here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna lower down 49. Probably yes. It's not pushing up. Thanks for the information. Okay, hello, my friend. Will probably go up. Probably, but we need to arrive into the sell zone or into the buy zone for take a decision, guys. At this moment, we don't have nothing, so it's pure patience. I know many people here don't like to wait, um, but it's part of the training. Bueno, vamos a ver. Taca, 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 buena nota. A Simple Trader. Buena nota, mi amigo. Un saludo. Un saludo. Vamos a ver qué tenemos más por aquí. Shorting with the I sell buy in 48. Okay. Now it's decisions is crazy. So well, let's see. The price is falling now. Great, thanks, my friend. Mhm. Ethereum view. To be honest, I don't care Ethereum. Even Bitcoin. Sometimes I don't care. Uh, I have a really relation, really bad relation with Bitcoin because some months I take 2 or 3 trades per trade in Bitcoin. Some months, but a month like this month, I didn't see the chart. I just see the chart when the price arrived to 97, and then sell some Bitcoin, and then that's all. Here do you come live daily? Yes, I'm here Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. Hello, you have been trading for 6 years, my friend. Next month is 6 years. Bueno, hoy me está viendo una personita bastante especial, que le quiero bastante. Le mando un abracito a lo lejos. Un abrazo. Long time, yes, long time, my friend. What's your thoughts about the gold reaction? Um, Nothing. Just the only thing what we can do is reduce the lot size. Try to survive. Mhm. Would you prefer full time trading? Oh, I'm here every day, my friend. I don't have a work. I don't have a job. I don't have a job. I don't have a real job. I'm a trader. That's all. Alicam, thanks, my friend. but I'm a trader, not a YouTuber. Do we have any else? I didn't see and like. Yeah, what happened with the likes? It's almost 700 people is seeing the stream and just 170 pips, 70 likes. Okay, arriving into the long position. Okay, go back to the regional plan. Ezio, saludos mi amigo, un abrazo y gracias por compartir tu experiencia, su placer. Esa es la idea, que todos tengamos un poco aquí de conocimiento. La fe siempre es que ganemos juntos y si no, bueno, de perder lo menos que se pueda. Se gana o se aprende, exacto. Correcto. Last trade dimension, we hope closing on 500 pips. So, well, let's expect something good here. Thank you for the nice to trade with you and like your patience. Thanks, my friend. That's the only way to survive the patience. Yes. 49, 49.40 below the low, probably. Here is the 49.40. Let's see. That's part of the thing is with this low, the London low. It was just one candle. That accumulation here. This is the London low. But it was a one candle. This candle was for 250 pips. So that is the reason. So we need to clarify in a really good way our position there. Fine. See here, there. So let's see. It's your patience, guys. Paciencia. Estamos esperando el punto de entrada. 'Em afraid of those candles. It's massive candles, yes. Everyone here is afraid. I'm afraid too. But well. Laurito, además de estudiar volumen, también te fijas en order flow, delta y otras cosas. No, solo volumen. Solo volumen, lo demás no me interesa tanto. No lo uso. No lo uso, solo uso el volumen, ahí tendencia, resistencias. eh, los bajos más bajos, sí, obviamente. Ujú. O altos más altos también, eso es otra cuestión. $150 stop loss es una locura, ¿sí? 150 pips de stop. ¿Qué está haciendo el mercado? Última, eh, ahorita. Reduzca su lotaje, 0.01, 0.02. Eso es. Si no, no van a haber posibilidades de hacer absolutamente nada. Te iba a responder el saludo, pero tengo un mensaje, un tema con la cuenta de Google. Yo uso iPhone y es un dolor. Ah, qué problema con las cuentas de iPhone y Google. Con los que usan iPhone. Pero bueno. So, well, guys, 90. 90 is the point. So it's time to be ready. Let's see what happened here. It's going to be difficult. And remember, reduce the lot size for your accounts, please. Here's the minimum lot size. We are in the high volatility market. Market conditions. Okay, so let's see. It's time to be ready. Just waiting this candle to continue like this. Reduce the lot size. Again, reduce the lot size. Okay, the price is there. Reduce the lot size, guys. We'll open the position, the next candle. So please be clear of that. Okay, now I'm into the position. Okay. $98, $97. Let's see. Okay. The point is there. Let's see what we have. $99. 94. 49. 82. 90. Okay, arriving to the TP1. So well, let's see. Reactions. Well, almost touched TP1. I didn't touch it. So well, let's see what we have. 50, 21, 2. Going back to our point of entry. We need this strong point of entry. Let's see if we can continue with that pressure or not. It's a difficult point. So let's be clear of that. 50, 35. Let's be clear. Difficult decisions there. Hard volatility. Let's see. We need to survive the 49.86. Let's see if we can survive or not. It depends for this candle. It touched the stop. So that's all for the position, guys. Don't hold positions, please. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions here. We were in a good position in the beginning of the trade, but it was too fast. We opened the trade here in this little consolidation. Then we go up for around really good candles and everything. But well, 180 pips, candle in red, and then continue with the downtrend. So please, for that reason, we are reducing the stop. We are reducing there the point, the lot side, not the stop. The lot side is reduced for that reason. 5 was a buy, minus 160 pips. Let me see the let me see the do the numbers here. 100, 1347 minus 167. Okay, this is 4118 27. So as you can see, the price continue the falling, testing the lower prices. We try to do it something good in here to the 49.90. But well, the volatility is like this, guys. So please respect the stop there. Okay, stop there is no more than that, guys. No more than that. No more than that. Okay, let me see. We can continue with the same songs. Bison was in. So well, even at this point, the price continue trying to give us something. Let's see if we can apply another or not. It depends for the next candles for the next 5 minutes for clarify that position. Okay. Something what I'm seeing, like um this 2 3 days, some people like using no stops, and for that reason the accounts will destroy it. We can continue using the 60 pips stop because there's no sense, to use 60 pips stop because as you can see the candle is for 180 pips, 200 pips per minute. Well, that is the market what we have. So the only options what we have, as you can see, this the stop loss. What I use right now it was for 167 pips, and it was for $100. Okay, so that's the reason. That's the reason to we need to understand the market conditions is not the same. Um, we need to reduce the lot size. Okay, we need to reduce the lot size. Yes, I wait to 150 minutes candles ends. This one, this one. What? Why? Because that one here, this one, this candle was my confirmation, and this candle was my retracement. This one I was expecting like something good here, but well, it's um, it's a massive candles. So we will have a bad trade, so we will have a good trade. So yesterday in Tokyo sessions, for example, 230 pips, the same, less than 5 minutes, we complete the trade. Yesterday in New York session, 290 pips, same. But today it was the same, like we opened the trade. Now probably the trade will continue in positive, and that thing happens. That things will happen really, 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 really often these weeks. Okay, because the stop loss will not resist. Will not resist too much for mm, even in 0.01 is too much. It could be it will destroy. For example, the guy who are using $45. He didn't use stop loss when he opened the trade in 49.90. For that retracement for around 400 pips. Yes, 400 pips. Yes, I'm waiting the confirmation here for a re-entry. Well, we can try the re-entry, but of course I'm not going to open the trade there again into the same point. That was a beautiful beam bar reaction, and they are still defending the the long position. Okay, and we will try the last position here. We can apply something there. Let's see, and we can see. We need to see this trades in 1 minute. 1 minute. So, well, the ones who are still holding, because I'm receiving some reports, people is holding. I don't like to hold positions when the price just touch the stop loss. Okay, be clear of that, but try to understand. It's difficult, and we will see. Use this stop loss. If use this stop loss. 26 stop loss. Okay, that not that much. I'm waiting the retracement. Waiting the retracement. Seeing something good near to those points. I already got the confirmation. Just I need the point of entry. A good point of entry. Okay. Yesterday shared same. Yesterday shared some information like how to the pips looks like, because many people don't know how the people looks like. So I draw in the lot size. For example, if we hold 100 pips and 0.01, it's at $10. If we hold 0.01 1,000 pips, it's $100. So same for here, like 0.10, $100. 0.05, 100 pips, $500. Or one lot, 100 pips, $1,000. So I share it for people can understand why we are reducing the lot size, because one pip at this moment in gold, it's really really expensive. So that is the reason. That is the reason. Mhm. So well, again, testing lower prices. Let's see what we have. Here we need at least the price touch here, the 50, 49.70, and give us uh, two, three candles. Let's see, two candles. Two candles. All right. It can drop again, yes. You can see a drop inclusive in 49.30. So let's see. This is the two options at this moment. The first one is this one. Let's see if we can apply something good or it will test the 49.32. It's pure patience, guys. At this moment, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Waiting. So you can see no consolidation there. For that reason, we didn't take any position at this point. So the position is not taken. The position is not taken. Relax, waiting. Okay, price is going back. Okay. Price is going back. Again, trying to do something. Let's see if we can try. Again, reaction for around 200 pips, more than 200 pips. It's going to be difficult, you know. Let's wait the proper reaction. Not the proper reaction. The little, just two candles into the same point. We need that. That's what we need. Okay. So well, this process was for 400 pips. 400 pips. Beautiful. Yes, the streaming have a delay. Not yet. Mhm. Let me round. The consolidation is still there. Um, 49.70. I'm waiting just the one candle hour ends. Okay. Let's see what we have. This is the last two candles. But well, again, the 1 minute candles. I know probably the people with less experience here is seeing like it's a simple candle, but it's a candles for 100 pips. 100 pips is too much. It's really, really, really high. Okay, the 1 hour candle is done, giving us a point of possible point near to the 65. Really nice pin bar reaction. So well, let's see. Mhm. Arriving into the point. Mhm. 'Kay, let's try the position there. I'm into the position. Okay. Waiting some little retracement. Some retracement. Good. Mm. Position is there. Point of entry. Mm. Could be a good point. 57. That 40. $49.76. That's 02. 49.56. That's 70. TP1 49. TP2. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Mm, 15. Could be a good point. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account, guys. Again, please, please. See, boy. Again, this stop was there. Not a successful trade for today, guys. Two stops. We try very good here in that consolidation, but well, it's another stop. So please don't hold positions, okay? Don't hold positions. Minus 190, 96, 94. Don't hold positions, guys. Don't hold positions. This is the 6 trade by minus 194 pips. Mm-hmm. 180. Eso sería el 8, 6, 7. Y 9, 8, 6, 9, 8, 6. Ajá, y esto sería 28 más 4 más 3 más 1 más 1. 36. 36. So, guys, unfortunately, ending the ending the month with not a good results. Really bad Friday. Ending with these trades with not that successful. I was expecting really good in that 49.70. But well, it wasn't success. So well, the reaction there, taking the second position, 49.30. Let's see the reactions there, but well, that's enough. Two stop. Two stops. So no more trades for today. Ending the month in positive plus 986 pips in positive with gold. Nasdaq 460 pips for trades. Dow Jones 293 pips, 3 trades. For this week, Tokyo session give us one stop for 50 pips. The MSL position for 55 pips. Yesterday give us 230 pips with no too much issues. And New York session give us the first stop for 69 pips in negative. Then 3 sells, 90 pips, 80 pips, and 290 pips in positive yesterday. But today give us a really, really bad results today with 2 stops there. Okay. Hopefully everyone here reduce the stop loss. Reduce the stop loss. What I recommend, that's the only way. Reducing the stop loss is the only options what we have. Okay. And of course, don't hold positions. Even if you hold position here, for example, if you hold positions here, the price go back to the 48, your account will destroy. Okay, so please respect the stops there, and don't hold positions in negative, guys. Let's see for the next months. For February, well, we see. I'm thinking the price will go to what, to 6,000 probably. Probably we will see the 6,000. And well, this is a really bad reactions for us because of course we're not holders. We're trying to survive with the less money what we have, and well, this is the conditions. Okay, so please don't hold positions in negative. Okay, let me read the chat. Do you see if use the prices? I get the confirmation in 15 minutes again. And the price give me 2 confirmations here in 15 minutes. Well, the first one was here, and the second one was here. Both pin bar reactions there, really good pin bar reactions. Then the third one give us something good here, and I think like okay, that was a good point, but no, probably the sellers will control the next positions. Okay, destroying the sell zones. Probably we will see the points around. Let me see. 48.50 could be the points here. 48.50 for today. That could be the targets. Okay. Imagine if it suddenly worked to 4,000. That could be amazing. That could be amazing. Uh, but it's not the. I think it's not going to happen. 38, 39 could be really beautiful if we go back to that prices. But well, this is something well we need to clarify. In the next weeks. The next weeks, probably again, we will see really difficult conditions, so we need to continue with the same deal, reducing as much as we can the lot size. Because if I use the normal lot size, for example, this year that 30, using the that stops, my account will disappear in 2 3 trades. Okay. I have a question. I bought gold at 53.50 for 0.40. Uh, that is what I'm talking about, guys. Why you are using uh, why you are using the massive lot size? Well, not massive. Then continue using the same lot size for the for these conditions. It's impossible. So if you open a motivate mastery, if you open a sell position at 53.50, now you are in a really good thing negative position. Let me see for what bits it's there. 53. No, it's too much. It's like a 3,000 pips in negative. 3,000 pips in negative. So our friends 3,000 pips in negatives using 0.40. That means Jesus Christ. Uh, that means I need to calculate. No, it's impossible. It's impossible to have your in 0.4 for 3,000 pips in negative, my friend. Multiply mastery, probably 0.04. I can I can think eh, if you are holding that position, but no, because if you are holding a position for 0.4, it's like around $1 million, something like this. I don't think it's 0.04. Probably it's that's 0.04 unless to 1,000. Didn't take any trade today, and it's remember if you don't feel good, just don't take it. Just don't take it. Yes, I think about 1-0, 1-0 this. 50 key, 50 key, 50 key. Yes, exactly. I'm down 600. Okay, it's zero. That's 0.4. Okay. And this is the reason. This is the reason for don't reduce and hold positions with the stop loss, guys. Here in these positions, guys, for example, I opened that positions and the loss was for around 250 pips, $250. So that's okay because the stop loss was massive, but I reduced totally the lot size. This is something what I'm explaining to the Discord and explaining here and explaining to the Telegram. I did uh material just for explain the people here. You need to use this this information as reference for reduce the lot size. Why? Because the market is like this. The market is like this, and we don't have too much how can I say point of reference for open a safety trade. Close market just want to give me more bisons, bisons. And there is the reactions. This one is done. Probably again we will take the 48. We will see the 48. Okay, so let's don't open any positions there, and let's try to clarify the position that's on. So let me see. If the market doesn't go down, market is going down. But I think the maximum point of retracement is around 48.50. Let's see. No, I'm going to rest. Something important. What I need to announce is the this weekend is the elections for my country. We need to elect a new president. We need to go to vote into the around the different cities. So next Monday, I'm not going to be here, just in case. Um, Next Monday, yes, next Monday, Costa Rica. I'm from Costa Rica. Next Monday, I'm going to be here. Monday too, I'm going to be off. So be clear of that, guys. I'm going to be off. Um, Please understand. I need to move to another city, and that city is around 6 hours to my house. For that reason, no trades next Monday. Okay, because I need to vote for a new president here in my country. The elections is this weekend. Yes. Next Monday off. Okay. Monday off. Exactly. Monday off. Monday off. If you want to be in touch with us, more than welcome into the community. $169. $169 for uh, the lifetime subscription. Okay, lifetime subscription. You draw rectangle, draw 10 pips around the bison. 10 pips didn't exist at this point. It's 100 pips every minute. Yes, back. Yes, because my city for the election is different than I live in the mountains, so I need to move. I need to move. I need to move. So that is the reason. So well, difficult day, difficult Friday. We got a really nice week at the end, a really nice month at the end. How many terms is your new president for? 4 years. He will stay at the power for 4 years. I think most of the democratic uh, people just countries so for 4 years. For me, has to understand why you prefer to be counter the trend instead of the following the trend. I'm not following the trend. Gold is not in a downtrend, guys. Gold is in an uptrend. I use the trend for daily and 1 hour. So, yes. So what? See you guys. If you want to sell, open yourself. If you want to hold your sell, hold yourselves. For the other people, for many people like me, gold is in a discount prices, so probably we will see good reactions. So well, by my side, that's all, guys. By my side, that's all. If you want to contact me by WhatsApp to receive more extra entries by WhatsApp, it's $169. That's all, guys. Thanks for everything. I'll be back next Tuesday. No trades next Monday. See you soon, and thanks for the support, guys.